Hey everyone, this is Mike Lauder with Mint Real Estate Group, and I want to welcome you to my newest listing here at 1903 Carabiner Way. You can have it all here. This home features 4 bedrooms, 3 full baths, and this beautiful kitchen. But my personal favorite is the luxurious master bath. Come on, let's take a look around. Thank you for taking the time to check out my newest listing. If you would like to schedule a private showing of this home or discuss any of your real estate needs, please feel free to call me at 502-210-3572.